Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're gonna have worksheet week 7 and 8. We discussed the first section here, this one in the first in week 7. And we reached until the inverse function. Inverse function, how can we solve it? I have here this example: y equal x plus 3 all to the power 3 or cubic minus 5. So I have some rules I have to follow. Interchange x and y. This means that to change, instead of x write y, and instead of y write x. So here, instead of this y I will write x, and instead of this x I will write y. So it's gonna be x equal y plus 3 to the power 3 minus 5. After this, I want to solve for y to get the value of y. So to get rid of the power 3, what shall I do? The inverse or the opposite of this, cubic root. So cubic root, both of them. So cubic root of root 3, I will cancel here power 3 by root 3. So after this, I have x plus 5 all cubic root minus 3. Y minus 3, positive 3 will go to the other side by negative 3, equals to y. Then replace here, replace y with f of negative 1, the inverse, and it's gonna be like this. Easy? I think it is. Function f is a linear function, remember, and its graph is non-vertical line. Okay, therefore f is one-to-one function. So the this question, the same like the other one, the previous one, f of x equal 3x minus 1, replace x with y. Then y equal 3x minus 1, replace both of them, and instead of x I will write y, and instead of y write x, and then solve for y. What does it mean, solve for y? I need to get y, isolate y, make y alone. So in this one I divided by 3, so f of negative 1, the inverse, gonna be x plus 1 all over 3. And this one, another example, y equal x plus 3 all power 3 minus 5. So first of all, I'll change here x with y, y with x, and then I want to get rid of what? Of the power 3. Then I put negative 5 to the other side with positive 5. Then cubic root and cubic root, then it's gonna be, and to isolate what? To isolate y is gonna be like this. Change y with f power negative 1, the inverse, it will be like this. Okay. Also we are gonna have this week determining whether functions are inverses or not. If you want to know they are inverses or not, the answer must be x. What do I mean? Determined by composition whether each pair of functions are inverses or not. He gives me here f of x equal 3x minus 1, g of x equal third x plus 1. Okay, so find the composition of f of g of x. Okay, then what shall I do here? Let's see in the following video.